So my name is Paul Berra. I'm the owner of Missouri Terrazzo Company. We're based out of St. Louis, Missouri. This is our 92nd year of business. I'm the owner. I bought the company actually 6 years ago. I'm the fourth owner in the history of the company. My story is a little bit unique. I was actually a lawyer. I still am a lawyer. And worked for a large chemical company. I was executive vice president and general counsel of that company. And then decided to make a career switch and was looking at opportunities to just change industries and look at companies to buy. And I got introduced to the prior owner, Missouri Terrazzo, and bought the company in 2018. One of the most recent jobs we've done is the Bill and Hillary Clinton airport job. That is probably one of the largest public art installations to Terrazzo. We transformed her art vision in the Terrazzo floor. And last year in Italy, we won the Artist Award for the Terrazzo job. So it was really, really unique, really difficult. 47 colors, some of the colors as small as a quarter in the butterfly wings. And so yeah, so, you know, beautiful job.